Lemon is one of nature's most powerful and refreshing gifts, loved around the world for its bright flavor, fresh aroma, and incredible health benefits. This small yellow fruit may look simple, but it plays a big role in daily life, wellness, beauty, and cooking. From kitchens to home remedies, lemon has been trusted for generations as a natural booster for health and energy. One of the most well-known benefits of lemon is its high vitamin C content. Vitamin C helps strengthen the immune system, supports the body in fighting infections, and protects against common colds and flu. Drinking warm lemon water, especially in the morning, is a popular habit because it helps wake up the digestive system and gives the body a fresh, clean start. Lemon water also supports hydration while adding natural flavor without sugar. Lemon is excellent for digestion. It helps stimulate digestive juices and supports the liver in detoxifying the body. Many people use lemon to reduce bloating, improve gut health, and promote smoother digestion. Lemon juice mixed with warm water can help cleanse the stomach and may reduce acidity when used correctly. Its natural acids help break down food more efficiently, making digestion easier. Another major benefit of lemon is its role in skin health. Lemon is rich in antioxidants that help fight free radicals, which are responsible for premature aging. Regular use of lemon, whether through diet or skincare, can help improve skin clarity, reduce dullness, and promote a natural glow. Lemon juice is often used in homemade face masks to brighten the skin and reduce dark spots, though it should always be diluted to avoid irritation. Lemon also supports weight management. It is low in calories and high in flavor, making it a great addition to meals and drinks for those trying to reduce calorie intake. Lemon water can help control cravings and improve metabolism. The fiber found in whole lemons, especially pectin, helps promote a feeling of fullness, which may reduce overeating. Heart health is another area where lemon shows strong benefits. The potassium in lemons helps regulate blood pressure, while vitamin C and plant compounds support healthy blood vessels. Regular consumption of lemon may help reduce the risk of heart-related issues by improving circulation and lowering harmful cholesterol levels. Lemon is also known for its antibacterial and antiviral properties. It has been used in traditional remedies to soothe sore throats, reduce cough, and fight minor infections. Lemon mixed with honey is a classic natural remedy that helps calm the throat and provide comfort during colds. Its natural cleansing properties also make it useful for oral health, helping reduce bad breath and bacteria when used carefully. In the kitchen, lemon is extremely versatile. It enhances the flavor of both sweet and savory dishes. From salads, sauces, and soups to desserts and drinks, lemon adds freshness and balance. It can tenderize meat, preserve fruits from browning, and bring out natural flavors in food. Lemon zest and juice are widely used in baking to add a bright, refreshing taste. Beyond health and food, lemon is also useful in daily household care. It is a natural cleaner that can remove stains, grease, and odors. Lemon's fresh scent and antibacterial nature make it a popular choice for eco-friendly cleaning solutions. It can be used to clean cutting boards, freshen refrigerators, and even polish surfaces naturally. Lemon also supports mental freshness and mood. Its citrus scent is known to boost alertness, reduce stress, and improve focus. Many people find lemon aroma refreshing and energizing, which is why it is often used in aromatherapy and natural air fresheners. In simple words, lemon is a small fruit with big benefits. It supports immunity, digestion, skin health, heart wellness, and overall vitality. Whether used in drinks, meals, home remedies, or daily routines, lemon adds value in a natural and affordable way. Including lemon in everyday life is an easy step toward better health, freshness, and balance, making it truly one of nature's most powerful fruits.